Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unlock apps. Guys, example for you guys, you want to unlock your YouTube, so you can unlock it. In this video guys, I will show you how to unlock apps in oppo K10 phones. Suppose guys you have logged your this all apps. Guys, you want to unlock your some apps, example guys YouTube setting, and guys Google, Facebook file, like that guys, you want to unlock these apps. You don't need any password here, so you can off it. In this video guys, I will show you how to unlock apps. So well, let's see. First of all, open your phone setting guys to unlock apps. Then guys, click on password and security setting. Guys, click on privacy password. Guys, enter your privacy password. Then guys, you can see app lock. Click. So as you can see logged. So as you can see this logged we have. So where you want to unlock, so you can unlock from here. Example for guys, you want to unlock calendar like Chrome, and guys games, Gmail, Google. So you can unlock from here guys. You will have to click this right side, then guys you can unlock from here. And guys, you want to unlock YouTube, so you can unlock YouTube from here. Whether you don't need password, photos, and guys this all some apps guys you want your app lock, so you can only use only this app. So guys, when you will on your Facebook, so you will have to enter your password. And guys, you when you can see when you will on YouTube, so guys, there is no any password. So as you can see in the YouTube, we don't have any password. And guys, when we will open Facebook, so guys, we will have to enter password. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.